Welcome to Walletopia. Lots of delicious paper here. Anyway, go to walletopia.info, register. We give away discounts and wallets, notifications, that kind of stuff. Now, Little King Goods is in Canada and has been creating handmade leather products since 2016. And today we have their V1 wallet on hand, so let's get into it. Now, this came in a huge box. It was lovely. And we have this nice wrapping paper, which makes a lot of noise. Let's open this. There we go. Okay. This is the buck brown color. This is their V1 wallet. It's just a simple, slim wallet here. Very nice squeaky leather. We love that. Very simple. Let's see. Oh yeah, it smells good. Great leather. Look at the sewing on here. Reinforcement at points that are necessary. You can see that, which is nice. Nice burnishing on this as well. It's just a great little slim wallet. Now to the feature review, the Little King Goods V1. Oh, I am a king. Nice. On the front we have a lovely stamp of the company right here, Little King Goods. And in the front we have a card slot, one here in the exterior. On the flip side we have another card slot right here. So there's two, one on outside, both sides. And of course we have one more slot in the middle. And you can put cash or cards in any of these. Cards are fine. Cash fold twice. And that is a quick review of the features of the Little King Goods V1 wallet. Yeah, it's a simple wallet. Simple wallets are great. So now let's get into the card and cash insertion test. You notice we were able to put in 4 cards and 3 slips of cash. And reasonable is 3 is a minimum, reasonable is 4 like I put in there. Company recommends up to 6 cards. There's 2 slots each for some cash to put in there. I mean, you can put cash in the center, but on the exterior is the best. With the yen, obviously, it's one of our largest currencies by way of tallest currencies. Since you have to fold it twice, it's always going to work. So it's not really that big of a problem. It's designed and made by hand in Canada by Ryan James. It's made from a full-grain veg tan Wicket and Craig leather in this case. Now all their wallets have a machine or hand stitch option, which I really like it. And if you don't really care, the machine price is a lot less than the hand stitched. Even though hand stitching is a little more expensive, it does last longer. Now they use Japanese poly thread, which is incredibly strong, great choice. And the edges are burnished, but you can still see the layers of the leather in here. And that just is so much texture, this detail, just looks so cool. Now where the thread meets the top up here, it's reinforced, which we really like, and so it doesn't pull apart over time. Now Little King Goods only uses ethically sourced materials and they are fair trade made. That means Little King Goods are made according to rigorous social, environmental, and economic standards. The organization which certifies manufacturers and producers works closely on the ground with producers to certify the transactions between the companies, their suppliers, to ensure that people making them are fair trade certified goods. It means they work in safe environments, protect the environment, build sustainable livelihoods, and they earn additional money to empower and uplift communities. It's all a good thing. Now, Little King Goods is not mentioned as a member or certified by Fair Trade, so Ryan must be following their principles on this. It's priced at $65, and from a usability perspective, it's very simple, yet subtle design helps make this wallet more usable for the owner. It really is. The first are the downward slants that are used here to help on the exterior to grab and help grab cards with your finger and thumb, make that easier to get. Same thing goes for the interior slot here. We have this half moon right here. Allows me to get in and grab with my fingers and the thumb cards here. It's just little things like that that help make this usable from a day-to-day perspective. Now it measures 3.9 by 3.1 by 0.2, and it weighs 31 grams of great full veg tan leather goodness. Still so good. Now there are many makers who sell their patterns for DIY options. Kind of switching gears here. You see that on websites. They'll sell their patterns so you can make these wallets yourself, which is kind of fun. But how many go to the effort of creating an acrylic template I mean, all you need to do is purchase the template, then you have all you need to cut the leather perfectly. It's so cool, not just a PDF template, but acrylic. Now, founded in 2016, Ryan has been doing everything by hand and only by him since that time. So, have you ever wondered how Little King came about? Well, you might know that his name is Ryan, which is a derivative of the Irish name Ryan, R-I-A-N. It's become popularly known in modern times as meaning Little King or illustrious, but the original meaning is still unknown. So anyway, let's get into the final score. For quality of 5, price of 2, features of 3, usability of 4, and perception of 4. That gives us a final score of 38 out of 50. Seems like we have a lot of wallets that bunch around that. It's because they're so good. Really, it's hard to differentiate yourself when a lot of wallets are doing great things. So thanks for being here. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.